We're about to start packing the kitchen. There was no big. Another hour. 2 more, 3 more, 4 more. Ashley, Heavenly, Allah here. I'll buy 10. Gonna clear up the whole kitchen. So tomorrow all of this cabinet will be going off. So today we have to clear everything out. Everything has to go off. Now. Hey, take.
Yum, yum, yum.
And mommy, how long can they?
Let's look at the bread that I have for 2023. It's already expired. It was just inside it. Oh my god.
Wait.
Put it on top, yes. Coffee.
I will not next door.
Why are you
That is almost that is drinking coffee.
No, give me. No.
Him din here.
Empty. Not empty. I have to put it in corner so we'll see what is inside there.
Mommy, no, not like this. First this one, and then look. You need to do this one, then here. And
Okay, ma, thank you. Good girl.
but mommy, asking for it.
Look at all my helps, guys. These are all helps.
What is my?
I buy helps in bulk, yes.
What is my plate? My plate
Ginger.
doing here? What is my plate doing here?
Take your kitchen plate away from here. That's hot chili pepper. Yeah. Bunch of spice.
And I have a hammer. I have to check for you.
Bunch of spice. All the spices are coming in here in a small carton. Those are in there. I have to fill all of this place. Our kitchen is here, guys. I brought our kitchen. Get it. Let's arrange it then. Because that is the wash machine. Can you imagine how we're going to build those little things? Look at how little they are. So much things. This one is so long. Oh my god. Is that not heavy? Wow. Ooh. I'm so stuck. Oh, that's all.